Are you looking for an easy form builder that plays nice with Framer? You've come to the right video. So today we're looking at Weavly AI Forms, which, as the name implies, allows you to build forms using AI. It's a plugin within Framer, so I can just go ahead and open my plugin in an existing or a new Framer project. In this case, we're using the pretty famous Perl template. So plugin itself is pretty easy. You can enter the form URL of a Weavly AI form in here, and then it will add it to your Framer project. So we can, for example, use an example form just so you can see how it works and how it looks like. So we have this example funny form right here, and we can just drag and drop it into our Framer website and then go ahead and publish it. And what we'll have is a working form inside our Framer website. So that's essentially how easy it is to embed a Weavly form into Framer. So we have this form right here in our website. I'm not saying that it works well with the design. That's a part that you need to tweak inside of Weavly, but it's fully functional, so I can use star rating, type in here, etc. Okay, so let's say that we do not want a Simpsons GIF in our Framer website. Let's go back into the plugin and generate a form custom made inside of Weavly AI. So heading over to the website, you have this big old start for free button right here. It will leave you to a sign-in page. In my case, obviously already done that. And building a form in Weavly is pretty self-explanatory. You have a chat interface on the left and you get to see the form that you're building on the right. Of course, you can just always use manual mode and build everything by hand. But in this case, we're just going to use AI. It's a lot easier. So let's say I need a contact form for my web agency. Make it somewhat funny. And what it will do is it's going to add pages, it's going to add questions. I can then use AI to change the logic of this. You see, it also made the theme funny. I'm not gonna say this, probably not gonna match our website, but you get your drift. You can use AI to change the styling, to change the questions, also add conditional logic. So if you have a multi-step form and you need that inside of Framer, you can also do that using Weavly.ai. And then once you're sufficiently happy with the form, so let's say that this passes the bar of what we want design-wise, we can just hit publish, and it says that we're missing an ending. So let's go ahead and create an ending. Make it simple because it's a contact form, so we don't need anything crazy on the side of the ending. So just a thank you, your submissions have been received. Hit publish, and what you get is this URL that you need to copy paste inside the Framer plugin. So paste that in there, add to the canvas, and automatically we have our form right here. Let's delete the old one. We can just drag and drop it into our Framer, fix the height and the width a bit. So now it's a fixed width. So let's make it fill the width of our Framer website. It's automatically going to adapt to the different viewports. So that's a nice thing about this plugin. It handles that for you, and then you can go ahead and hit publish and see those results come into Weavly. Of course, it's what you would expect from a form builder. So you can see the results inside of Weavly itself. So the responses, get analytics and a summary, but also you can integrate, send that data to Google Sheets, HubSpot, get email notifications. I'll leave a couple of tutorials at the bottom of this video in the description if you're looking for more advanced features as well.